fill up the old water bottle here. So here's the deal, guys. The Beta 200RR is ready for me to pick up. So that means I've got to take this one, which is the awesome Beta 390RR Race Edition, and it's got to go back to the dealer. I'm not excited about getting rid of this thing because it was freaking awesome, but time marches on. For today, I'm shooting on the GoPro Hero 7. It's about the only use I can figure out to do with my Hero 7. I haven't really loved any of the GoPros since about the Hero 4. So it's like a 45-minute or a 1-hour drive out to there from where I live. So that's a perfect opportunity to catch up on the new Dirt Bike Channel podcast. If you guys haven't subscribed to that thing, wherever you get your podcasts, you should do that. iTunes, Stitcher, Google Play, it's everywhere. So I got some pretty cool content up on there. You know, I've actually made all those podcasts, so I'm not gonna listen to them because I've already heard them. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna catch up on either Mitch Rapp or Court Gentry. If you guys out there know who Mitch Rapp or Court Gentry is, you're my people. Seriously though, I could use a shirt that says, I am Mitch Rapp. Of course, Mitch Rapp would never wear that shirt, right? Anyway. And now we're stopped for construction out in the middle of nowhere. So we are no longer making any progress at all. Are we there yet? I don't know how well you can see that dog over there, but he doesn't seem any happier about being stuck out here than I am. We're stuck. Beta, we're stuck. There's nothing we can do about it. Everyone just remain calm. No sudden movements. All right, and we are here, which is good because that only took like forever and a day. Goodness, that was a good time. Well, that right there is not a bad looking bike. Check that out. This is the 200 Beta 200 two-stroke 2020 version. Here for me. The 390 has been amazing. But we're gonna try it here with the 200. So again, no kickstart on this guy. Everyone's taking them off everything. It seems like it's the cool thing to do. Beta has fixed at least that. Check that out. We've got a bigger kickstand, so that should be fun. I'm gonna see if I can swap wheel for wheel so I don't have to install tubeless on this baby. Check it out, guys, it worked. I've got the Beta 200 two-stroke here in the truck, and it worked. I was able to swap my tires. So I've got an IRC VE33S on here, but the big thing was this has got tubeless on it. So I took the tires off the 390, front and rear, and put it here on the 200. So that's gonna help me, that's gonna save me some time and save me some money because I won't have to put tubeless on it. You guys know how crazy I am for tubeless. There you go. So there's my high pressure, there's my low pressure, front and rear. So this thing is ready to go. Check that out. Boom. I'd start it for you, but the battery isn't hooked up. I had to take the seat off, which is cool. Look, I can take this, maybe. I was gonna say I can take this seat off one-handed, and if I don't have a broken hand, I can. If I didn't have this, I can do it. There we go, check it out. One-handed, did that one-handed. So the battery isn't quite hooked up here, but if I go, I need two hands, and I didn't bring an 8mm. Anyway, if I push down on that, and then I start it, I push down and then I can get the thing to start. So when I get home, I'm gonna put everything back together, hook up the battery, go through everything on the bike. This is cool, they've got a map switch right here. So I'm loving that. Fun little bike, awesome styling. And so this is just like a breath of fresh air to me with the white and the red and the black. So I am really excited about this 202 stroke here. All right, see you later, Stedmans. Saw a lot of Hondas here. You can see that. Honda, Beta, Yamaha, Polaris, they got everything out here. So anyway, I'll start the 1 hour journey back to my house. Oh, Denny's. I don't think I want to do Denny's right now. After you pick up a new dirt bike to test, it's always important to get like a chocolate shake. You can't drive with your knee, hold the shake and hold the camera, so you have to stop. You don't want to do all of this with no hands on the wheel. You know what I'm saying? So the bike actually worked out really perfect. I just sat there in the parking lot and I swapped my wheels from the 390 over to the 200. So it's got the actual race edition rear sprocket on this standard version now, but they were both 49 tooth sprockets. Everything was the same, you know, sprocket sizes were the same, axles were the same, and so I just swapped one wheel, swapped the rear wheel on each bike and then swapped the front wheel on each bike. That worked out perfectly. So yeah, the bike looks super good. I love the styling of these things. I think part of the reason why I like it so much is because I'm always looking at KTMs and Yamahas and other bikes. The Betas are just, it's a breath of fresh air to me, the way they look. So should be pretty fun. I want to thank Beta USA for loaning the bike to me, and thank them for loaning that 390 to me. That was very, very helpful to me, and it's good for everybody. The dealer gets to sell a used bike, Beta gets some recognition and gets some publicity, some press on it, and I get to bring you guys some good content. So it works for everybody, and I just, that's a good thing. So I like that.